Welcome to All Ages Fitness channel, where anyone can get stronger, move better, and live healthier. Do your shoulders feel stiff? Is your upper back tight? Do you catch yourself slouching throughout the day? If so, you're not alone. Many of us spend hours sitting, working at a desk, driving, or looking down at our phones. Over time, this can lead to reduced shoulder mobility, poor posture, upper back stiffness, and discomfort that affects everyday activities. The good news is that mobility can improve at any age. Today's workout is designed to help you move more freely, improve posture, and restore mobility in your shoulders and spine. This routine is suitable for adults over 40, over 50, over 60, and anyone who wants to maintain healthy movement. Move at a comfortable pace. Stay within a pain-free range of motion. And remember that mobility improves with consistency, not force. Let's get started. Warm up. Begin marching comfortably in place for 60 seconds. As you march, swing your arms naturally forward and backward. Allow your shoulders to relax while gradually increasing circulation throughout the body. Stand tall, keep your chest lifted, and breathe steadily. This simple movement helps warm the muscles and prepare the shoulders and upper back for mobility work. Shoulder rolls, 60 seconds. Roll your shoulders up, back, and down in a slow, controlled circle. Continue for 30 seconds. Then reverse direction and roll forward for the remaining 30 seconds. Focus on making the circle smooth and comfortable. Feel tension begin to release from the shoulders and upper back. Main workout. Number 1. Arm circles, forward and backward, 60 seconds. Extend both arms straight out to your sides at shoulder height. Begin making small circles forward. Gradually increase the size of the circles while maintaining control. After 30 seconds, reverse direction and circle backward. Keep your shoulders relaxed and avoid shrugging. This exercise improves circulation and mobility throughout the shoulder joints. Number 2. Shoulder pass-throughs, 10 to 15 repetitions. Hold a towel, resistance band, or stick with a wide grip. Slowly raise your arms overhead and continue moving them behind your body as far as comfortable. Reverse the movement and return to the starting position. Move slowly and smoothly. If your shoulders feel tight, widen your grip. Focus on comfortable mobility rather than forcing a larger range of motion. Number 3. Wall slides, 10 to 15 repetitions. Stand with your back against a wall. Place your arms in a goalpost position with elbows bent. Slowly slide your arms upward. Then return to the starting position. Keep your head, upper back, and arms in contact with the wall whenever possible. This exercise promotes better posture while improving shoulder mobility. Number 4. Thread the needle, 8 to 10 repetitions per side. Move onto your hands and knees. Slide one arm underneath your body and reach across as far as comfortable. Allow your upper back to rotate naturally. Pause briefly, then return to the starting position. Complete all repetitions on one side before switching. Focus on movement through the upper back rather than the lower back. Number 5. Overhead reach and pull downs, 12 to 15 repetitions. Stand or sit tall. Reach both arms straight overhead, then pull your elbows down toward your ribs. As you pull down, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Slowly return overhead and repeat. Imagine placing your shoulder blades into your back pockets. This movement improves shoulder mobility while activating important posture muscles. Number 6. Standing torso rotations, 10 to to 15 rotations per side. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Cross your arms over your chest or hold your hands together in front of you. Slowly rotate your upper body to one side. Return to the center and rotate to the opposite side. Keep your hips facing forward throughout the movement. Move smoothly and comfortably without forcing the rotation. This exercise improves mobility through the upper and middle spine while encouraging better posture. Number 7. Cat-cow, 8 to 12 repetitions. From a tabletop position, slowly round your back toward the ceiling while gently tucking your chin. Then, reverse the movement by lifting your chest and gently arching your back. Move smoothly between positions. Coordinate your breathing with the movement. Exhale as you round the back. Inhale as you open the chest. Number 8. Quadruped rotations, 8 to 12 repetitions per side. Begin on your hands and knees. Place one hand behind your head. Rotate your upper body and lift your elbow toward the ceiling. Pause briefly, then slowly return to the starting position. Keep your hips stable and focus on moving through the upper and middle back. Complete all repetitions on one side before switching sides. This exercise improves thoracic spine mobility, reduces upper back stiffness, and supports better posture. Number 9. Seated thoracic extensions, 10 to 15 repetitions. Sit near the front edge of a sturdy chair. Place your hands behind your head. Lift your chest and gently extend through the upper back. Pause briefly at the top. Return to the starting position and repeat. Avoid excessive movement in the lower back. Focus on opening the chest and improving upper spine mobility. Number 10. Scapular retractions, 12 to 15 repetitions. Sit or stand tall. Pull your shoulder blades back and slightly downward. Hold for 2 seconds. Slowly release and repeat. Avoid shrugging your shoulders toward your ears. Focus on squeezing the muscles between your shoulder blades. This exercise strengthens key posture muscles that help keep the shoulders properly aligned. Stretch and release. Chest opener stretch, 60 seconds. Stand tall and clasp your hands behind your back. Gently open your chest and draw your shoulders backward. Breathe slowly and deeply. Feel a gentle stretch across the front of the shoulders and chest. Avoid forcing the position. Upper trapezius and neck stretch, 30 seconds each side. Sit or stand tall. Slowly tilt one ear toward the same side shoulder. Gently pull your head to the side with your hand. Hold the stretch while keeping the opposite shoulder relaxed. Breathe deeply and avoid pulling forcefully on the head. Switch sides after 30 seconds. Fantastic work today! By improving mobility in your shoulders and spine, you are helping your body move more efficiently, maintain better posture, and stay comfortable during daily activities. Try performing this routine several times each week for the best results. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to All Ages Fitness channel and share this video with friends and family who want to move better and feel better. Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you at the next workout.